Hello and welcome to Gadget Joe, and today we take a look at a Genius on a budget. Hello folks and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a relatively short one, and it's also going to be the first of a flood of bite-sized reviews that will cover the budget, run-of-the-mill, do as it says on the tin products. This time round we have the Slimstar 8230 by Genius, an inexpensive wireless keyboard and mouse combo that can be picked up for around a £30 price point. Let's begin with the boxing and unboxing experience. The box looks nice and vibrant with lots of high quality images and feature icons dotted all around it. And yes, there is an AI sticker on here, but don't get excited, it just means it can shortcut to Microsoft's AI Copilot navigation function. Inside the box is pretty simple. You get a large plastic bag containing the keyboard itself, and then a smaller bag with a mouse in. You do get a little warranty booklet and user guide, as well as 2 batteries included. The 8230 kits come in either black, like we have here, or white. They actually look pretty nice for what is deemed a budget offering. The keyboard is a full-sized board, with some nice slim bezels and a chin at the bottom. It's a pretty flat little keyboard too, almost laptop keyboard flat. In fact, it comes in at just 17.3 inches by 5.5 inches in size with a thickness of just 1.2 inches. The majority of that depth is the larger barrel at the back that houses the battery and also doubles as an elevation point at the rear. It's pretty light too, at just 452 grams. Not the lightest by any means, but certainly light enough to make it super portable. The keys are chocolate keycaps. No, not the sweet stuff, but super low profile key switches. They are super slim keys that offer a tactile bump. They are designed to produce a much quieter typing experience, as you can hear now. Thankfully, they seem to have taken advantage of a scissor-style bracket, as these don't suffer from the famous wobble that these type of keys historically suffer from, which is reassuring. They match very similarly to a laptop when typing on, and surprisingly are nice to use and work with. Personally, I prefer a much more tactile, deeper key from a standard mechanical keyboard, but I definitely wouldn't be unhappy if I had to use this whilst travelling on a train or at the office, etc., which is the ideal case scenario for this kit. The keyboard has the usual keys in a full-size UK layout, with some additional fast access keys at the top for multimedia controls. There's even a calculator key for bringing up a calculator with just one press. The usual shortcuts can be found underneath the function and number keys across the top. It does have lights on the right for numlock, caps lock, and finally a low battery indicator. Connecting the keyboard to your desired device is super simple too. There's actually 2 options available in the form of either Bluetooth using Bluetooth 5.3. It can connect up to 2 Bluetooth devices at the same time too, to make switching of devices super slick. The final connection mode, and probably the one that's most likely to be used on a home setup, is the 2.4 gig wireless mode using a USB receiver, which is conveniently stored inside the bottom of the mouse. This one receiver will operate both the keyboard and mouse from one, which is useful for saving USB ports too. The mouse is a more simple affair. It's a pretty generic mouse with a little bit of additional branding on the bottom and a bit of a grey chin strap wrapping around the base. Thankfully, it doesn't feel cheap though, which is common on kits like this. It does have a good substantial feel to it, and it fits nicely in the palm of your hand, even for big sausage hands like mine. It does feature an optical sensor with up to a 1200 dpi resolution, so it should be just fine for most normal use case scenarios. It's certainly no gaming mouse though, that's for sure. This can also connect to a device using Bluetooth 2 technology or 2.4 gig wireless connectivity via a receiver. The modes can be switched by pressing this button here at the bottom and then pressing the function key and selecting the correct one on the keyboard. As far as battery life goes, it all depends on the batteries you are using. I can't find anywhere the projected battery life, but I would safely say you'll get a good few weeks solid use out of them, and changing the battery is as simple as putting a new AA battery in. And that's pretty much it. Again, not a long one this time, but a quick look at a budget offering by Genius. So what do I think of it overall? Well, it's a pretty capable little kit for the price point. The keys feel nice to type on, and the whole board feels surprisingly substantial. It's perfect for using at the office, or sticking in your laptop bag or backpack to take with you on your travels. The additional multimedia buttons at the top are welcome too. The mouse, I feel, does let the whole kit down a little bit, but only really because it's mega basic. I know the whole kit only costs £30, so I'm probably being a little bit overcritical. It's definitely more than up for the job, and will do the job you need it to do though. There's also no backlight on the keyboard, so you might struggle at night time, or if you are using it to connect to your PC from your sofa or bed, but generally it should be all good. Overall, it's a fantastic wireless kit that actually feels like a slightly higher price unit than it is, and it would be ideal for travelling or use in the office, and the silent operation would be a godsend in a busy office too. As always, there will be links in the description to get your hands on one, and whilst you're there, click like and subscribe, and that's it from me for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.